Director at Shoppers Stop says the company is not in talks with any foreign player at present for a stake sale, etc. Priya Seth, my colleague, caught up with Rajeev Suri. Here's a piece of that conversation.
We believe that our guidance, we like to stick with our guidance of around 7.5% growth, and then we'll have to see how we react. At Shoppers, we've been sort of leaning towards less discounting, and we're going to see how much pressure we can take on that.
Now that it's been some time since you've taken over, in terms of store expansion, what's been planned? Have there been any changes that you've decided on ground to implement?
So I think that what is really important is that we continue our strategy. Our strategy has been to open between 4 to 5 stores in the market. We are currently in 38 cities. End of this year, we'll probably be at 41 cities. We want to push the envelope a bit more on beauty, and we think that the beauty space is somewhere where there is higher growth potential, especially in color and skin, and as the Indian women are starting to spend more money on that, so that's where we are going to focus on.
You know, as we speak, there's a lot of buzz in the retail industry. It looks like it's the second innings of the retail space. Lots of foreign players are approaching homegrown domestic retailers to expand their offline footprint. And at Shoppers Stop, you already have a very strong footprint in the country. Have you been approached by any players, barring Amazon, of course, any foreign players at this point?
So at the moment, we are not in talks with any other players, and we are keeping our focus on our strategy in terms of expansion and in terms of growth.
What about Amazon? Amazon has picked up about 5% in Shoppers Stop. What's the status with that investment?
So we have a investment, Amazon investment arm bought 5% of our company. This gives us a couple of strategic advantages. One is we are now on the front page of the fashion. We have a microsite, so that gives us more visibility on Amazon. Secondly, we are trying to see how we can bring the Amazon experience into Shoppers. We've opened 3 kiosks now in 3 stores, and the results have been positive. We are going to start to accelerate that growth. So I'm hoping by the end of the year we will have 12 of these kiosks. And there are other discussions we are having on how to integrate better. So for the time being, these are the 2 places which we are sort of working together on.
Any conversations on slightly or marginally increasing stake in Shoppers Stop with Amazon?
There's no discussion on any change in that.
Okay, so that's the management.